Hi, hello, welcome back to my channel. Hope you all are doing good. So today's video is going to be about how I got these galaxy nails. So let's jump into the video. I'm gonna start by applying pink color. So as you can see, I'm taking very little amount on my brush and then apply them on the nails. So moving on, I'll be adding next color in a similar manner. Here I'll be filling the below empty space. And I'm gonna take some more and I'll be applying some on the pink polish so that the colors merge. Move the brush back and forth. So here I'll be doing the same process for quite a number of times. So the point is that we obtain an uneven distribution of polish. So it is necessary that one area has more polish comparatively to the other areas. So I'm gonna add my third color. So I'll be adding quite a lot for this step. So as you can see, I'm applying my third color all over my nails. Since my third color is brighter than the other two, I'll be adjusting them accordingly. So I'll be using my second color and I'm gonna add some in between, and in some areas I'll be applying them over my third color. Make sure to wipe off the brush before closing them. I'm gonna use my first color and repeat the same process. Until you get the desired look, repeat the process. So once done, this is how it's gonna look like. And I'll be curing them under my UV lamp for 60 seconds. Once the curing is done, I'll be adding dots randomly using my dotting tool. Once done with the dots, I'm gonna use the detailing brush to create a star. For creating a star, just drag out the dot from the center. So once done, cure the polish for 60 seconds. For final step, I'll be sealing the polish by applying a top coat. And here's the final look. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe. Thank you.